Hi, brothers and sisters. Welcome to Lesson 4, my teacher thought on Thursdays. A couple things I want to talk to you about this week. First of all, going back to last week in your budget and expenses spreadsheet that you created, first of all, I'm really proud of you. Creating things in Excel is not always super easy, especially if you've never done it before. And they're looking really nice. I especially love when some color is added. It always helps kind of separate things up for me. And when you have it, make sure you have a title on the top and the year. If you on that assignment lost points, I told you why in my feedback, so make sure to check why. Because you'll be doing more things like this throughout the semester, and I hope that you'll budget even beyond this class. In the All is Safely Gathered In pamphlet, they give an example of a budget. Now, this is not an Excel one, so it doesn't look quite the same. But this is what you had to have on the assignment. You had to have what your planned monthly budget was, and then 1 week's worth of spending. So I saw it all different types of ways. I think the easiest way for me to read them was when you had your whole month's budget in one column, and then this column, instead of saying actual, it might have said week 1, and then it listed what it was, and then you could add week 2, what it is, week 3. Okay, now again, it's however you want to do it, but make sure you break it down by weeks and what is going on in each week, okay? So just an example, if you're struggling with that and you come to it again in the future and need help, please email me and I'll send you some examples. Okay, second thing, last thing too, you have your first exam this week, and your first exam has 21 questions, and some of you have already taken it, actually, but I just want you to be aware of this note. If you score higher than a 75% on the exam, if you choose to, you can retake it, but you don't have to. If you score lower than a 75% on the exam, you are required to retake it. Either way, if you choose to retake the test to try to earn a higher score, you need to send me an email as soon as possible, okay, so I can approve it for you. So, good luck on that exam. I don't want you to be nervous. It's all things you've been working on and practicing so far this semester, so as long as you've studied and you've stayed on top of your work, you're going to be just fine. So again, please let me know if you need any help. And I just wanted to add just a little bit of a testimony of math and of budgeting and how it really can bless your life. And I hope that you can apply what you're learning to your life. My husband and I moved about 2 years ago to Salt Lake City, close to Salt Lake City. And it is a lot more expensive to live here than where we came from. Although my husband makes more money at his job, sometimes it doesn't totally feel like it because it is more expensive to live here. And budgeting has really been the biggest blessing for us. And we feel like because we budget, we never are, completely out of money, and we're never scraping, and we're never wondering where the next paycheck's going to come from. We know where the money's going to come from. We may not be able to just go shopping and do all that we want, but we're very blessed because we budget and we're wise with it, and we don't always do our best, but we try to make the best decisions about money that we can. And so I hope that you gain your own testimony of budgeting and how it really can bless your life, especially your family's life, or if you're not married, your future family's life. And with that, good luck on your test this week. Please let me know if you have any questions. Talk to you later.